In the arid brush, a puff adder coils, ready to deliver a lethal strike. Facing it is a 30-pound mammal that refuses to retreat. Instead of fleeing, the smaller animal prepares to lunge directly into the strike zone. This is the honey badger, or Mellivora capensis. While its name and build suggests a badger, it is actually a highly specialized member of the weasel family. These are solitary wanderers. Across Africa and parts of Asia, an individual badger may patrol a territory spanning 200 square miles, moving primarily under the cover of night. This isolation extends to their reproduction. Females raise their kits alone, concealing them in hidden dens to avoid the larger carnivores that share their landscape. In a habitat dominated by apex predators and venomous killers, a creature of this size persists through a specific combination of physical and genetic traits. The honey badger relies on rapid excavation to secure its meals. When it detects prey underground, it digs with enough speed to prevent escape, often methodically blocking side exits as it descends. Its primary tools for this task are 4-centimeter-long curved front claws. These function as heavy-duty excavators, capable of shredding through hard-packed earth or termite mounds in minutes. Supporting this strength is a skull reinforced with dense bone and jaws capable of generating enough force to break through a tortoiseshell. While these physical attributes are effective for hunting rodents and reptiles, they provide little protection when the badger's prey fights back with lethal toxins. Up to 25% of the honey badger's diet is composed of venomous snakes, including cobras, mambas, and adders. The animal's first defense is its skin. It is remarkably thick and rubbery, measuring up to 6 millimeters around the neck, which helps prevent fangs and stings from reaching vulnerable tissue. But even this hide can be pierced. When a cobra manages to deliver a bite, it injects neurotoxic venom designed to paralyze the badger's respiratory system. The honey badger possesses a genetic mutation in its muscle receptors. Their shape prevents snake neurotoxins from attaching, meaning the venom cannot bind and trigger paralysis. While toxins are rejected, the badger's own neurotransmitters still fit perfectly, allowing the nervous system to maintain control. A massive dose of venom can still cause a honey badger to collapse into a state of coma-like paralysis. For up to 2 hours, the animal lies motionless while its system metabolizes the toxins, before it revives and continues consuming its kill. This allows the badger to neutralize chemical attacks that would be fatal to almost any other mammal its size. The honey badger faces physical threats from larger predators, like leopards and lions, that can easily overpower it. To defend against being caught in a predator's grip, the badger relies on its loose-fitting skin. It can rotate a full 180 degrees inside its own hide, allowing it to twist around and bite at an attacker's face, even while being held by the neck. If biting fails to end the encounter, the badger can deploy a pungent secretion from its anal glands, a chemical deterrent that often forces larger predators to abandon the struggle. These survival mechanisms are supplemented by cognitive ability. Relative to its size, the honey badger has a large brain, which it uses to solve complex environmental problems. In captive settings, honey badgers have been observed stacking rocks, mud, and sticks to build platforms, allowing them to scale walls and escape secure enclosures. This adaptability suggests that the badger's persistence in the wild is the result of both physical resilience and an intelligence that navigates threats its body cannot fight through directly. Popular depictions of the honey badger suggest an invincible animal that ignores all danger. In reality, badgers are cautious, actively avoiding the scent of lions and leopards when they are able to detect them. They are vulnerable to larger cats, and certain venoms that destroy blood vessels and tissue can still prove fatal, as the badger's immunity is specialized primarily against neurotoxins. Because they are mortal, each confrontation with a predator or a snake is a calculated struggle. Every encounter they survive is the result of these specific biological safeguards working in concert. The honey badger persists because its evolution has paired physical armor and genetic mutations with a versatile intelligence. It is a design that allows a 30-pound weasel to maintain its place among the most dangerous predators on Earth.